Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss Copilot in Microsoft Power BI. By the help of the Copilot, we can do following operations: create report pages, creating narratives visuals, summarizing a report pages, enhancing question and answers, create measure descriptions, write DAX expressions. Requirements for Copilot Power BI. Copilot in Microsoft Fabric is not support on SKUs. Only paid SKUs, F64 or higher P1 or higher, are supported. It is also based on regions. Your administrator is need to enable Copilot in Power BI or Microsoft Fabric and configure certain settings. Your admin is the first person to contact to get the access to the Copilot in Power BI. Creating reports pages. Copilot can suggest content according to your reports based on your data. Microsoft has published best practice for your data model to work with Copilot. General is best for practices that are good whether you use Copilot or not. Create a narrative with Copilot for Power BI. We can able to create narratives to summarize to entire report, specific report pages, specific visuals you select. You can also adjust the tone and formatting. Summarize a report pages. Use Copilot to quickly get keys insights from your report. Summarize it. Ask any questions. Give me a summary of my revenue over the last fiscal year. You only need to view permissions to the report to use the Copilot pane. Enhance Q&A with Copilot in Power BI. Q&A visual is available for any Power BI reports. It can produce the low-quality answers if users do not use the good terms. Copilot in Power BI adds synonyms for data in your model. Suggests automatically generated synonyms. Greater chance at a good Q&A experience for your users. Using Copilot to write DAX queries in Power BI. In this module, we explore how Copilot in Power BI can simplify the complex task of writing and understanding DAX data analysis expressions. What is DAX? DAX is a powerful formula language used in Power BI, Power Pivot for Excel, SQL Server Analysis Services. It enables users to create custom calculations, perform aggregations and time-based analysis, build complex expressions for interactive dashboards. Traditionally, DAX has been the domain of data professionals and BI experts due to its complexity. How Copilot helps. Copilot brings AI-powered assistance to everyone. Ask natural questions like, what is the total revenue for Q1? And get the DAX formula. Convert business logic in plain English to structured DAX expressions. Paste a DAX query and ask Copilot to explain it in simple terms. Eliminate trial and error by getting relevant, correct suggestions instantly. Making analytics more inclusive and reducing dependency on advanced training. Copilot, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Start your journey today with www.crmonce.com.